the other side, ladies and gentlemen, National Award winner, the very lovable, the boy next door, Vikrant Massey joins me on the News Hour tonight. Hello and welcome to this special show. And I'm having a fangirl moment, Vikrant Massey. Congratulations. I would love to get up and hug you. Slightly constrained because of... आप तो पतले से हो.
I would love to hug you.
And fantastic. And congratulations. एक shake hand.
Oh, sorry.
एक high five.
High five. Many congratulations. Many congratulations to you too. And let me sort of return the gesture by saying that you know I'm a fan. I've said this time and again. I don't mind saying this on record again. And congratulations on becoming a dadi.
Well,
many congratulations.
That's a very special award, I know. Yeah. But let's talk about you. Your national award. I mean, Vikrant Massey, आपने पहले कभी ऐसा सोचा था कि ये दिन आएगा? और जब ये दिन आया, पहले तो अनाउंसमेंट जब आई तो मैंने आपको मैसेज किया था एंड वी एक्सचेंज नोट्स. लेकिन कल का दिन जब आप राष्ट्रपति से वो अवार्ड लेने के लिए स्टेज पे गए, मुझे बताइए कि एक ऐसा इंसान जिसने जमीनी सच्चाइयां जीवन की देखी हों, वो इस मंजर पर जब पहुंचता है तो उसको क्या लगता है, मन में क्या चलता है?
Such a loaded question to begin with.
Simplest.
सपना तो था ही, and you and I have spoken about it. And I've said this also in my press release that it's been a childhood dream. When I started off back in 2004, तब इतनी समझ नहीं थी because you were thrown into this world of acting, performance art. तब इतना नहीं था, but by 2007-8 when I realized that okay, this is what I want to do, ये तब का सपना है which has come to fruition, and it's very surreal, अभी तक sink in नहीं हुआ है to be honest. And क्या ही कहूँ मैं, कि firstly, you are doing something that you love, which is act, tell stories. And then to be honored by the honorable president of the country, by the honorable government of your country. So it's a great feeling. But having said that, the journey is only just begun. There's so much more to do. There are so many more stories that I want to be a part of.
Change हुए थोड़ा success के बाद, कुछ बदलाव आए हैं जीवन में. Something that you could do earlier, you can't do now? Or is this also a sense of security जो पहले नहीं थी? और success के बाद एक थोड़ी security आती है कि...
Of course, वो human nature है, right? Of course, when you're appreciated for what you do, you feel good about it. There are moments when you're sitting with your family at your dinner table and talking about, oh my God, we won the national award. Changes भी आते हैं, like today my wife and I cannot easily go out and have pani puri like before, and वो है. अब ये है कि छुट्टी पहले हम लोनावला लेते थे, ड्राइव करके लोनावला चले जाते थे या गोवा चले जाते थे और बीच पे बैठते थे और कोई परेशान नहीं करता था. अब बस हम देश के बाहर जाके वही छुट्टी मनाते हैं. तो चीजें बदली हैं, कभी कभी अच्छा भी लगता है.
और 7 months आपने डिटॉक्स किया अपने आप को.
Yeah. I saw all my films, some of them multiple times, went back to the drawing board. Is because, when you're conventionally successful, I mean, so many people were like, Arey, you've just hit your purple patch and you want to take that break. I said, maybe because I've hit that purple patch, I should go back to the drawing board and better myself. I was also physically exhausted. I had mentioned this thing in my interview then that, I was facing severe burnout symptoms. I was almost sleepwalking. I wanted to, पहले तो नींद पूरी करनी थी, थोड़ा सा घर का खाना खाना था. Wanted to spend time with my son, with my mom and dad, and probably take that holiday, which I did. So yeah, just do the normal things. It was very, very important. I'm glad I did that. Had I not done that, I think I was anticipating, severe meltdown. My absence around my son was the biggest reason for me to go back home.
That was bothering you.
Yeah, because most of my memory at that point of him saying Papa for the first time was through a video which my wife had sent. I mean, आप क्या ही सक्सेस का फायदा है जब जिसके लिए काम कर रहे हो वो एक्सपीरियंस ही नहीं कर पा रहे हो, राइट? You've made a big home, but you're not able to live in that. You're sleeping in hotels. You're traveling, you're sleeping in cars and flights. So you've made a house and a family to live in that house with that family. And when you're not able to do that, and I very vividly remember one thing that actually kind of, made me take that decision was कि उसका दांत आया था. उसके 2 दांत आए थे छोटे-छोटे नीचे से. And I was missing all those moments. And वो तो इतना नेचुरल प्रोग्रेशन है कि वो अब नहीं रुकेगी गाड़ी और ना ही रुके कभी. वो बढ़ते ही रहेंगे, वो आगे ही बढ़ते रहेंगे और वो जीवन है जो दस्तूर है जीवन का, वो चलता रहेगा. ये साल भर रुक सकता है, ये नहीं रुक सकता है. इसीलिए आई वेंट बैक होम.
एंड जो समय आपने घर पे बिताया, किया क्या? What did you do?
I ate a lot of घर का खाना.
Which is what? क्या मतलब क्या पसंद?
दाल, चावल, आलू की सब्जी, अचार, राजमा, चावल, पराठे, सब.
कहाँ गया?
नहीं, मैं खाता बहुत हूँ.
गया कहाँ?
नहीं, वो I eat a lot. I missed home at that time. I still do. By nature, I am that सरकारी कर्मचारी who actually wants to go back home at night every day. But I can't do that because I keep traveling a lot. I also want to act. I also want to tell so many stories, but I want to go back home by the end of the day, with my family, sit and watch a TV show, maybe, and just do the normal stuff. I read a lot of books at that time. I played a lot of video game. I played a lot of carom with my friends at that time. मेरी building में नीचे मेरे दोस्त बैठ के carom खेलते थे. So I used to go play with them. I met all my neighbors I'd lost touch with. And then I traveled. Yeah, so I did all of that.
What is normalcy according to you? आप on a normal day घर जाएंगे, तो बीवी डांटती है?
जी.
डांटती है?
जी.
किस बात पे? You said it almost sheepishly.
नहीं, सच है. जब नहा के निकलो और बाथरूम में वाइपर नहीं मारो तो डांट पड़ती है.
विक्रांत मासी वाइपर मारता है अपने बाथरूम में नहाने के बाद,
और नहीं मारो तो बुला के करवाया जाता है. These are normal things, right?
Very good.
जब अगर आप बाहर गए हैं और अगर बीवी को अचानक से याद आता है कि अच्छा पनीर लेके आना, तो बोलती है पनीर लेके आओ 1 किलो, आधा किलो ले आओ.
तो आप शूट करके रास्ते में आ रहे हैं और आप पनीर लेते हुए आएंगे?
जाते हैं कभी मतलब होता है ऐसे कि शी टेल्स मी कि ले आओ पनीर, तो मैं ले जाता हूँ. So these are normal things, and it's not just about. See, I don't know. I find my sense of belonging there, maybe.
हाँ, अच्छा भी लगता है कि ठीक है.
I feel my sense of belonging there. I'm not a very social person anyway, and you know that about me. I would rather choose sitting at home, have dinner with my family, play my video games, and
make paneer or go and buy paneer and come back.
Yeah, go have pani puri maybe, or go play cricket with my friends in the ground. So that keeps me grounded. Literally, I feel safe. I feel safe. That's the right word, actually. I feel safe.
How did 12th fail actually happen to you?
That's an interesting story. So I had done this short film with a friend of mine who was Rajkumar Hirani ji's assistant on 3 Idiots. And Raju sir had seen, of course he'd seen some other work as well, but he'd seen that short film which his assistant had made. And he reached out to me for the first time, saying कि मैंने तेरी short film देखी है and I really like your work. So he recommended my name to Vinod sir. When he got to know that, okay, sir is making a film like 12th Fail. So I met Vinod sir, and you know Vinod sir being Vinod sir, he's like, "Yare, I was 34 then," and he said, "कि तू 19 साल का कैसे लगेगा?" And I generally don't shave. I have my beard, and I had longish hair that time. And he said कि मैं तेरे साथ क्यों फिल्म बनाऊं? तू तो टीवी एक्टर है. तेरी पिक्चर थिएटर में देखने कोई क्यों आएगा? So that's how our relationship began. And
Blunt Punjabi.
Blunt Punjabi, straightforward. And he also possesses this childlike quality in him. He's very honest. You know, could seem brash to some people sometimes, but I think I hit it off with him immediately because I saw a mentor in him that time. And yeah, and while we were at his farmhouse, he wanted to just go through the script with me, and the opening shot of the film, जहाँ पे आप देखते हैं मनोज कुमार शर्मा बैठ के चिट्स बना रहे हैं. So I took that position, that fetal position, you know, got down on the ground and I started writing. Is when he said कि I think I found my Manoj. He's like, तू ऐसे क्यों बैठा? I said, ऐसे क्यों बैठा? मतलब मुझे लगा कि ऐसे ही बैठना चाहिए. And he said कि मैंने जब ये पर ये तो लिखा नहीं था. I said नहीं, but I felt that, you know, अगर वो जमीन पे बैठ के चिट्स बना रहा है तो वो ऐसे ही बैठेगा. तो he said, this is what I had envisioned. स्क्रिप्ट में नहीं लिखा था. And you did exactly what I had envisioned. So I think I found my guy. And that's how the journey began.
And what are you working on right?
Right now, I am working on a film called White. And it is a very ambitious film that we are making. It's based on an incident from Gurudev Shri Shri Ravi Shankar ji's life. The art of living Gurudev Shri Shri Ravi Shankar. So
now you're Gurudev. Next.
I can never be Gurudev. I am not any Gurudev. I'm playing his part. And
so
yeah.
You went and you spent some time with him at the ashram, and I saw some of those visuals on social media. How was that? That is training for your role?
Yeah, I mean, I had to spend time with such an incredible personality. And when I spent that time at his ashram in Bengaluru, I immediately came back, and I remember very clearly I put out a post when media had picked it up that I'm playing him. I said, this is one character that I'm not going to ace, and I cannot ace. I can only try. I can try being him. Because he's not normal. He's a 9-year-old guy. I think he was younger. A 5-year-old boy. He started reading the Bhagavad Gita at that age. I mean, these are not normal things, right? And the kind of work that he's done through yoga, through the Art of Living Foundation is incredible. So White is about his intervention in during the Colombian Civil War. And it's such a shame that we don't know about it.
Which has been your most underrated role so far?
Love Hostel.
Why do you think it was underrated?
Unfortunately, not a lot of people saw that film. But whoever saw that film really liked that film. So I wish that a lot more people had seen it.
Which is the script you said no to and then regretted till date?
Badhai Do. Yeah. But regret is not that word, I think. Yeah, it was a very good film, I think. Yeah, that's one film which I could have done.
दोस्त हैं अपनी इंडस्ट्री में आपके?
हैं, पर कम हैं. दोस्त हैं, बिल्कुल. Because that's how I am. I mean, मेरे निजी जीवन में भी बहुत कम ही दोस्त हैं. मेरी गिनती के वही 8 दोस्त हैं जिनके साथ मैं अपना समय.
तो नहीं हो गए आप कहीं सक्सेस के बाद कि मैं बहुत ज्यादा लोगों से मिलता नहीं हूँ?
अच्छा, कुछ लोगों को लगता है ये, पता, कुछ लोगों को लगता है या कुछ लोगों को लगता है.
एकदम नब्ज पे हाथ रख दिया.
Some people feel that, but ठीक है, you know, you can't please everyone.
घर जाके शीतल जी से आप बोलेंगे कि ऐसा है, अब मैं पनीर नहीं लाया करूंगा क्योंकि अब मैं नेशनल अवार्ड लाया हूँ. हाँ, ये मेरा नेशनल अवार्ड देखो, इसके बाद भी पनीर लाने को बोलोगे क्या? ये बोलोगे कि नहीं घर में?
अब मेरी हिम्मत नहीं है कहने की.
नहीं करेंगे? डरते हो बीवी से?
नहीं, डरता नहीं हूं मैं. बट दैट इज व्हाट कीप्स मी अलाइव, एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर.
वो ही होता है कि जमीन पर पांव रहने चाहिए.
और उन्हीं की कहानियां बोलनी है. ना कहानियां भी उन्हीं लोगों की
किसी दिन
कहनी है।
आप एक बहुत रिच लड़के की कहानी भी बोल
हाँ,
सकते हैं।
बोलूंगा मैं, बोलूंगा। आई हैव मेनी स्टोरीज लाइक दैट।
हाँ, डिजाइनर कपड़े एंड शेड्स पहन के and all.
You'll see me doing that soon.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I think this news is already out. I don't know why I'm not talking about. I'm doing Dostana too.
Yeah. Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
I'm doing my first Dharma movie. Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yes. Thank you.
So you.
Usme you'll see me wearing good designer clothes. Na?
है ना?
Karan sir will make sure that I wear good clothes and I wear those fancy sunglasses. Shooting
Super.
somewhere in Europe.
तो आपका जो दोस्ताना 2 में आपके साथ
जी.
वो को एक्टर एंड देसी गर्ल कौन है आपकी?
आई थिंक वो मैं नहीं बोलूंगा, वो करण सर ही बोलेंगे तो बेहतर है।
थोड़ा सा बोल दो
नहीं,
यार।
उसकी भी तो बड़ी अनाउंसमेंट
दोनों को नेशनल अवार्ड मिला हुआ है।
So
इतना
Laksh is a part of the movie. Laksh and I are there, but let the girl be that surprise.
देसी गर्ल
Let that be a surprise.
बताओ now I can't let you go.
Right.
Now you piqued the curiosity of a journalist.
I think it'll be really unfair. It'll be unfair for me to trespass Karan sir and say that. Let that excitement come out. It's a new person, that's for sure. It's a newcomer.
It's a newcomer.
Yes.
Thank you very
Thank
much,
you once
Vikrant
again. Thank you
Massey,
for
and
having me
please
here.
do keep your
Thank you for all your love.
sensitivity intact.
Thank you.
Hope to keep interviewing you
Yes.
after every award that you get. Waiting for the
Thank
next
you, ma'am.
one.
Please take good care of yourself. Please get well soon.
I will.
All my love, all my love.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.